I'll do a little video on this one here. I might do this actually on its own. So this one's a Victorian Police Divvy van, going back in time. It's a little bit older than the police car I did in the video last week, which has been viewed a lot, which is good. Single blue light on top, long before the days of having the red and the blue, or multiple coloured lights on top. And you can see, you know, all riveted. Got the padlock and the bars on there are solid as. It's got 2 locks on the door, single door on the back. When you look inside, you can see the original radio down there. Big bench seat.